Index notation. Multiplication, division to the powers of, reciprocal and roots. We're going to start with x to the power of, which you may already know, and what it really means. For example, x to the power 3 is x times x times x. But if we put the powers in, x to the power 1 times x to the power 1 times x to the power 1, really what we're doing is we're adding the indices to get our x to the power 3. And one thing worth noting is x to the power 0 is 1. For anything to the power 0. 3 to the power 0, x to the power 0, z to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, let's look at multiplication. X to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. Here's an example. X to the power 3, x cubed, multiplied by x to the power 4. Add the indices like we did before with the a and the b, and we get x to the power 7. Division. X to the power a divided by x to the power b equals x to the power a, or x to the power a over b, which is the same as x to the power a minus b. An example. Okay, let's say we have x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 2, x squared. That's x5 over x2, and our answer is x5 minus 2, which gives us x to the power 3. Okay, index notation with to the power of. If we have x to the power a, and we raise x to the power a to the power b, then the result is x to the power a times b. In other words, x a b. Here's an example. We have x to the power 2, x squared, times x to the power 4. What do we do with the indices? We multiply them together. Okay, we get 8. Okay, reciprocal index notations. 1 over x to the power a, the way of writing that is x to the power minus a. Okay, so if we have x cubed, 1 over x cubed, the way of writing that is x to the power minus 3. But what if we have 1 over x to the power minus 3? What then? Well, it's the same method. We put a minus sign in front. Okay, so it's minus 3. In other words, plus 3. Okay, the roots. How are roots signified in index notation? Well, the nth root of x is x to the power 1 over n. So if we have the cube root of x, we can write that as x to the power 1/3.